Hello and welcome to Genius Solutions Walkthrough. Today we will be covering Genius Manufacturing ERP's ability to handle multiple warehouses as well as multiple bins per warehouse. We're currently in the inventory warehouse and locations master file. For this example, we will use our default warehouse number 1 from the left-hand menu. As you can see, there are multiple warehouses or plants per company. Once we select a warehouse, we can then select the Locations button on the top menu. We can see that one warehouse may have several locations. We will now switch to the Item Maintenance module in order to demonstrate an item with inventory in different warehouses. For our example, we will use this specific item 00140GJ. We can see in the main screen that we have a quantity on hand of 52.612. When we click on the arrows, we can view the details of the inventory. Under the first table, we see that we have a quantity of 31.612 in the default location of the warehouse number 1. We also have a quantity of 1 in the mobile location of the default warehouse number 1. And finally, we have a quantity of 20 in the warehouse number 2. This demonstrates that we can have inventory in different locations for the same item. On the main screen in the module, we have the information concerning the inventory on the tabs in the lower half of the page. The minimum quantity and the maximum quantity can be set per warehouse. We will now continue to purchasing. To purchase this item, we will go to the Purchase Order module. We will then select Recommended Reorder on the top menu for the example item we used earlier. We will punch it into the search bar. The purchasing is done by warehouse, so the purchaser must select which warehouse they would like to purchase for. Below the search bar, we can view the information related to this item in terms of minimum and maximum quantity, on-hand quantity, allocated quantity, and on-order quantity. In this example, we have 367 allocated quantity and 234 on order, and a shortage of 130 with the minimum quantity. On the left hand, we can view the detail of the inventory. If we then select the graphic tab of the left-hand screen, we can view how the quantity changed over a certain period. If you would like to know more, please visit our website at www.geniuserp.com or send us a quick email at sales@geniuserp.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next walkthrough.